Welcome back, captains. So in this video we are doing another tier list. This time it's a plane tier list. So I did an airline one and I don't think some people liked it. So now we are doing the plane. We have 7 categories. You can never come back. Almost not even an airplane, actual piece of crap. Alright, pretty good, wow, amazing, and a legendary bird. So these are the ones that were here. I didn't edit them at all. So how many is 1, 2, 3, 11, 33, 4, 5, 6, 7, 37, I think. So let's go quickly. Right, 737. Very safe plane. I flew on it, and the most popular in the world. Very cool. 747. Classic. This is -100-200. Legendary. I mean Pan Am. Then 747, the queen of the skies. Hopefully it will still be flying for a few more years. 760. No, this is an A350, I think. So A350, quite a nice aircraft, very safe, didn't have any accidents. Popular one. This one, a Dreamliner, I think it is, or is it a 777X? Let me just see. I think this is a 777X. So this is to come out yet, but it will be great when it comes out. The folding wing tips and everything. Ignore that advert. Right, A380 it says. A320, sorry. Oh. A320. So A320 is a quite a good plane. It did have a few crashes, but overall very popular, so pretty good. We'll put it in. A330 Airbus, one of the better planes. The long haul, quite modern, nice. A340, the pencil jet, amazing. It's not really as efficient because it's an 4-engined plane, but there we go. A350. So I don't know this one. What's this plane? 767. Never mind. Whatever that is. Here A350-1000. Oh, this might be the -900. So we'll put it right next to it. A380. One of the best planes out there from Airbus. It's very good. Never crashed, I don't think. The Jumbo getting retired slowly, but we'll put it into amazing. What is this? A C5 Galaxy? No, that's the A400 Airbus. Yeah, military plane. Yeah, but it's an animated one. Antonov. Legendary. The only one in the world. AN-225. I wish to see it once, at least once in real life. I have to see it. What's this? This is not even a plane, whatever that is. That's some drifting on aircraft carriers. Right, this ATR, quite okay plane. The first turboprop regional plane, of course. Quite good, a good safety record. Beluga, used for transporting, not many of them out there. Ooh, this is the, I forgot the name of this plane, but I know it's some military one. We'll put it into the coil, really. Oh, that's a proper Airbus, that. Right, Cessna 172. You learn on these planes they can fail easily, one engine. Oh, Cessna Caravan, I cannot look at it. This is one of the I think the most worst planes out there, the worst looking. Shorts, 360 Skyvan, oh, that's terrible, but this one is like second worst. What's this? I don't know what this is, but it's a piece of crap because it's crashed. You can see there. CRJ Bombardier, nice. I like this aircraft. Yeah, but they are good. Regional aircraft as well. Quite modern. Next one we've got the I forgot the name of this one as well, but it's the short takeoff and landing distance plane. This one is a Bombardier Q400. I prefer the Q100, but this one is also good. Ooh, this is there. Is it some private Learjet? Just trying to tell what plane this is. Never mind, we'll put it in here. Embraer. Now, Embraer planes are very have got a good technology and are safe. Brazilian planes. That's not even a plane. What's this? It's a flying train. Hot air balloon. Boom, boom. Put that in there. Put that in there. Paper planes, still good. C-130. I mean, it's an animated one, but still a C-130. Ha! That's the one from Planes, from that movie. Right, the three ones that have been retired are left. L1011, MD11 and MD82. So, MD11. Cargo door, failures. Sorry, L1011. This is the Rocky. There was really a failure. This it didn't really set out. Not many airlines flew it. MD11. It was popular, but some failures. Cargo door and like the Swiss 111 crash. But you know what? A380. No, I will not. There's no 777 on here. I have to add a 777. Right, finally, MD82. One of the few planes which you actually boarded from the back. I think it's a legendary one. It's bad that it's not flying anymore. I mean, it maybe is in like Iran or something, but not very popular. Not that much found in the world. And it deserves to be up there. So this is the complete tier list of the planes. Paper planes are good. If you know how to make them. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Goodbye.